For some people, gaining weight or building muscle can be challenging. Though fruits and vegetables aren't usually the first group of foods that comes to mind when trying to bulk up, several types of fruits can provide the extra calories your body needs to gain weight. Welcome to EFT News and Info, and today we'll be talking about fruits and vegetables that are good to gain weight. Let's start with banana. Bananas are a popular and versatile fruit that can provide numerous health benefits, including helping with weight gain. Bananas are rich in carbohydrates, particularly in the form of natural sugars such as fructose, glucose, and sucrose. One medium-sized banana contains approximately 27 grams of carbohydrates, making it an excellent source of energy for the body. Additionally, bananas are also a good source of dietary fiber, with one medium-sized banana providing about 3 grams of fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote feelings of fullness. Bananas are also rich in important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients can help support healthy metabolism and muscle function, which can promote weight gain through increased muscle mass. Bananas are also a convenient and easy-to-eat snack that can be incorporated into a balanced diet in a variety of ways, such as adding them to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. While bananas can be a helpful addition to a weight gain plan, it is important to consume them in moderation, as they're also relatively high in calories. One medium-sized banana contains approximately 105 calories, which can quickly add up if consumed in excess. Therefore, it is important to balance banana consumption with other healthy foods and exercise regularly to achieve healthy weight gain. One of the most delicious fruits. Mango is a rich source of several nutrients such as copper, vitamin B, and vitamin A and E. However, most people love this fruit because of its versatile taste. But did you know this sweet fruit is loaded with fructose, and this makes it high in calories and carbs? 1 cup of mangoes has around 99 calories. So, if weight gain is on your mind, then indulging in delicious mangoes can be the easiest thing to go for. Next up, we have coconut. This amazing fruit needs no introduction. Its outer shell retains the freshness and taste of the fruit. A major ingredient used in various cuisines, coconut is rich in calories, fats, and carbs. This versatile fruit is enriched with the goodness of minerals like phosphorus and copper. High on calories and fats, 28-gram serving of coconut has around 99 calories. So, if you want to gain weight, coconut can make for a healthy and tasty alternative to supplements. Both coconut and coconut water are great if you want to gain weight in a sustainable manner. Dried fruits are nutrient-dense, and this makes them ideal food for weight gain. Loaded with the goodness of nature, these natural fruits have been dried using several methods, which makes them high on natural sugars that can give you an instant boost of energy. Hence, they can make for a perfect thing to binge on the go to gain weight and stay healthy. This exotic fruit is great for someone who wants to gain weight. This nutrient-rich fruit is loaded with healthy fats, which can help you gain weight naturally. In fact, a medium-sized fruit has around 162 calories. Moreover, adding it to your daily diet can be a great idea as it is loaded with healthy plant-based proteins and micronutrients, including potassium and vitamins K, C, B5, etc. Are you ready to go on a date? No, I'm not talking about that date. I mean date the fruit. Dates are a nutritious and delicious fruit that can provide numerous health benefits. However, consuming too many dates can lead to weight gain. Dates are high in calories, with just 100 grams of dates providing approximately 277 calories. They're also high in natural sugars, particularly fructose, which can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. On top of that, dates are often consumed in combination with other high-calorie foods, such as nuts or sweetened beverages, which can further contribute to weight gain. Therefore, it is important to consume dates in moderation as part of a balanced diet to avoid unwanted weight gain. Potatoes are a starchy vegetable that can be an excellent addition to a weight gain diet. They are rich in carbohydrates, with a medium-sized potato containing approximately 37 grams of carbohydrates, making them an excellent source of energy for the body. Potatoes are also relatively high in calories, with a medium-sized potato containing approximately 163 calories. This makes them an excellent food choice for those looking to increase their calorie intake and gain weight. These bad boys are also rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and iron, which can help support healthy metabolism and muscle function. This can promote healthy weight gain by supporting increased muscle mass. On top of that, potatoes are a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as roasted, mashed, or baked, making them a convenient and easy-to-eat food option. While potatoes can be a helpful addition to a weight gain diet, it is important to consume them in moderation and balance potato consumption with other healthy foods to ensure a balanced diet. Corn is a nutritious vegetable that can be an excellent addition to a weight gain diet. Corn is rich in carbohydrates, with 1 cup of corn kernels containing approximately 32 grams of carbohydrates. This makes it an excellent source of energy for the body and can help support healthy weight gain. Corn is also relatively high in calories, with 1 cup of corn kernels containing approximately 125 calories. This makes it a calorie-dense food that can help increase overall calorie intake. Corn is also rich in fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote feelings of fullness. This can also help prevent overeating and support healthy weight gain by encouraging a balanced and varied diet. In conclusion, adding certain fruits and vegetables to your diet can be an effective way to promote healthy weight gain. But make sure to always consume these foods in moderation and balance them with other healthy food groups to ensure optimal nutrition and well-being. And on that word of advice, it's time for us to call it a day. But we do hope that you liked the video and found it informative. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Your valuable suggestions are very important to us, so do post them in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.